In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're wrapping up a project or simply need to step away, understanding how to smoothly exit a team can help ensure everything continues to run smoothly for you and your colleagues. First, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Teams application, either on your desktop or through the web version. Make sure you're logged in with the account associated with the team you wish to leave. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand panel where you'll see a list of all the teams you're currently a member of. Identify the team that you need to leave. This might take a moment if you're part of multiple groups, but you can scroll through or use the search feature at the top if you need to. After locating the team, click on its name to open the team's page. Here, you'll see several tabs, such as Posts, Files, and Notes. In the upper right corner of the screen, next to the team's name, you'll find 3 dots, which is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots to see a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your role in the team. In this drop-down menu, you should see an option that says Leave the Team. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation message. It's important to read this message carefully, as leaving a team means you'll no longer receive updates or have access to the files and communications within that team. If you're absolutely sure about leaving, click on Leave Team again to confirm your decision. Once you've confirmed, Microsoft Teams will automatically remove you from the team and you'll notice it's no longer listed in your Teams panel. If you ever need to rejoin, you'll have to be re-invited by a team owner or administrator, so ensure you've tied up any loose ends before leaving. Remember, leaving a team is a permanent action from your end, so double-check that there's nothing important you still need to access. You might consider downloading any crucial files or making a note of any ongoing conversations before completing this process. This concludes our guide on how to leave a team on Microsoft Teams. Following these simple steps can streamline your workflow and help you maintain organization within your Microsoft Teams environment. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave comments or look at Microsoft support documentation for more insight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and useful.